We're back at the biggest Nike outlet in SoCal. This is the Nike Outlet in Camarillo. I got a little return to make. Bought these for a friend. And yeah, she didn't want them. She didn't want them. So I bought that for a friend and she didn't want it. She said it's too narrow. Damn, look at that, dude. Paid $117 for Alpha Fly X% 3s. All right, let's go see what's up on the back wall where you get 40% off. Some spots 30, some spots 40. Doing 40 here. All right, these really stuck out. Look at this. Look at this. Got the Cortez clots right here. Comes with like a interesting looking cover. These are weird as hell. Does have a different insole. These are wild. These are definitely wild. Bulky as hell for Cortez, man. Cortez is supposed to be nice and simple. $80 for those. Couple of the size 11s right here. I'm actually running over here to the women's section. Women's extended sizes, bigger size over here. They have an Air Max 1 right here. This is a men's size 11, $95. These Jordan 3s right here, these are down to $140, $40 off on top. We saw these here last time. These are going for $36 after the discount. Jordan 1 Hot OGs, $36 after discount. Got a bunch of size 11.5s right here. Also got size 12s going for the same price. All kinds of blazers going for $70 before the discount. Jordan 1 Hot OGs, another color right here, $70 for these. Nice 12 Forces right here. Arctic Orange. That's what, $65 before the discount. Air Force Next Nature, $60. Do not see any Invincible runs. I came here specifically to check out the Invincibles. Dang it. Check out the shoes, hoping for Invincibles. They got Jordan 2. So Crystal Mint. These are going for $36 after the discount. Checking out the size 8. See another one of these clot. These are 8.5 right here. Clot Cortez. These are going for $80. Not too many actual size 8s. $120 for these. Too much. Cortez right here, $40 plus the extra discount. Holy cows. These are going for $24. Bronze right here, $140. Vomeros right here go for $140. $75 for the acronym Blazers. Palm sides go for $40. Get that extra discount. These must have been on the back wall. Dude, got these go for $80. I'll try to make it short in a few minutes to show that they got those. Those are interesting. I don't know if I'd get those. $135 for the next gen size 9. Bunch of these Calm slides go for $45. Got some Lukas right here. Luka 2s go for $80. Got these in a size 10 as well. These are weird looking, dude. Even the shoe tree, it comes with a little, what is that? Like a little paper straw with the head? Seeing how these look. These look so weird. It's like they grabbed like, what is that? A Forrest Gump Cortez and then threw this little shroud over it. These are way tight. These are size 10. I have Cortez at home that are size 10. I have some size that are 10.5. I have some that are size 11. These are hella tight. Because that extra shroud. But these just look really weird. I would just feel really goofy wearing these. Not finding too many interesting things. 10, 10.5. Got some Huaraches right here. $65. Prices are right though. Especially with the 40% off. $45 for the Airspans. Air Max Plus 40 or 140. Going to check out the apparel. Still do got these. They haven't gotten on sale yet. So I was trying to figure out when they're gonna get 30% off, 40% off, or whatever. You get 40% off clearance apparel. Got this rack. Also got the wall right there. Got shorts right here as well. These sweats look hella comfy right here. Is this the one that I have at home? I don't know. $40, 40 off, so $24. This one got no Nike swoosh on the bottom. These bad boys go for $40 as well. This one looking a little different with the two-tone, $55. Snowboard pants. This is ACG $225. Holy cow, $225. Got some tech fleece in what's it, olive color? I don't know. What green is this? $80, so $48. Got a bunch of $12 t-shirts. And is this tech fleece right here? I don't know. I think this is tech fleece. Yeah, tech fleece hoodie right here. These bad boys go for $84, 40 off. Got a soccer, was this Inter Milan? Y'all be telling me, but I'd be forgetting. My bad, guys. This is a size large, $75. Clippers pullover right here, $85. Who's this right here? Who's this? Tannehill jersey, $175. NFL draft coming up. Niners got a ton of picks. We're gonna need them because we lost like half our freaking team. What the hell is that about? Try to save money, I think. What's up with this ACG Storm Fit jacket? I don't see a price tag, dude. I do not see a price tag. All right, let's finish off the back wall right here real quick. Got these weird mocks right here, the undercover collab, $50. These started off so high, $160 I think. You get that extra 40 off. 270s, $160 still. Air Max 1, is this a golf right here? No, just regular Air Max. Did I say Air Max 1? Air Max 90, $130 for these. Air Max 90s all white, $130. Size 12, it looks like they started extended sizing a lot of size 12. $60. So $36 after the savings for Flight 95s. Luna Roams, these are going for $80. $70 for the Ja1s. By 70, I mean 50 because they extended size price these. So these are going for $30 for size 12. Air Spans in a size 13, $30. 30 freaking dollars. So what does that go for? What, 18 bucks? $18? Take 1.4s down to $30 after the savings. 48 for the Jordan Air Max in 200s. Course right here, $60 before the savings. Size 14, $55. Blazers right here, these are down to 70 it looks like. Is that a reseller saving these? $80 for those Jordan 1 low OGs right there, $80. So it's at $48 for size 12. Not bad, not great, but still not bad. Got so many aisles. Let's see how many of them we can get through. That's a pretty decent price. Pretty decent price for the, I don't know what the hell those are. But yeah, do got all the Team J's right here. All the generics, all the non-signatures, including a few more on this side, Jordan Access. Do got some retros on the back side right here. Got some lows, SE mids. Another one of those. Some regular black and white mids that'll match with anything. Olympic 6s, Oreo 6s. Do got a Jordan 1 low OG. Starting to see some of the LeBron 22s, as well as the next gens right here. Been seeing a ton of these. Do got plenty of the Nike budget signatures, witnesses. We do see freaks, Zoom freaks right here, Zoom freak 5s. Do got the Immortality, this is a budget signature right here. Do got the Ja 2s, the Ja 1s, a couple more budget signatures. And we've been seeing this colorway of the GT Jump 2s. Man, if these go on the back wall, so worth it. I'm gonna grab another pair, hopefully, because I'll grab a couple of these. These are so freaking comfortable. I'll use them for hoops. A few colorways of the Kill Shot 2 leathers, Sail Star Blue, Black Sail Gum Yellow. Got another one right here. Got Nike Calm Slides. Got a trio of these. Powder Blue, Baby Blue. Got some of the mules, Calm Mules, with the gum bottom on that one. Got some Cortez, Rock Undercovers. Pegasus 2005s. Got a quartet of these. Maybe more. I see some on the other aisle. Volt colorway right here. It's the fifth one. Definitely got an influx of these. Airspan 2s. Couple pair of dunks. We saw these last week. Got a trio of dunks on this side. As well as a dunk. Legacies. Got a couple of legacies. And then look at that price right there. $48 for Air Force Ones with a gum bottom. That is hella cheap. $48. Don't get no cheaper than that. Everybody wants the white ones for whatever reason. I like the gum ones better. But yeah, these are going for $135. The Halloween ones right here with the skull for $140. Got a few more that's not all white. That is what? Phantom Summit in white. And then got a couple more right here. Air Force 88s. Couple of those. This one comes with the OG box though. Dunks. Dunks. More dunks. Dunks going down in price. Got almost 2 full hours of dunks. Lately there have been a deluge of P6000s as well as Vomeros. The prices are just falling. Also been seeing these Lunar Roams as well, a ton of them. It says 20% off select styles. I think it includes These right here, Tech Fleece shorts. See small, medium, large, XL. And the price on these bad boys, $65, an extra 20% off. Got the gray ones down here. I see a couple sizes, XL, double XL. 65 for those. SBTs, 20% off these, $30. 40% off here on this side. These are some medium duty hoodies right here. It's $40. Get an extra 40 off, so $24. Got them in black as well as blue. 50 for the black ones. Still got the camo Tech Fleece pants right here, 40% off, $90. As well as Tech Fleece jackets right here, go for $95, $40 off. Got them in navy, yep, $95, $40 off. These two-tone ones, same price. As well as a few other colorways right here, all $95, 40% off. Did forget to check the running shoes because we have been seeing these. Invincible Run 3s, got multiple colorways in the men's. Also got this one in the women's right here. They're all going for $130, so waiting for those to hit the back wall. Checking out the women's section real quick. And look, they already brought the ones that I returned. $195. Did get that extra 40 off on top. Got more running shoes right here, Phantom Run. These are the ones with no laces, not $100. Brina size 8. These are going for $90. Forces down here going for $60. The Forces prices are really good right now. Other than the all white blazers, long hair suede, $50. Seeing a lot of the same stuff. Blazers right here go for way too much. Sabrina's, Gamma Forces. These are down to $50. But seeing a lot of the same stuff over and over. Checking out the Jordan. Checking out the women's section real quick. Look at this, $36. $36 for women's Forces. That is a suede material. This glitter one right here. I think this is new. I don't think we saw this last week. This picnic material one right here going for $80. All canvas one. Gatto's going for a really good discount. Got a few Jordans. Oh, and we know these are gonna make it to the back wall soon. $70. I think that's the price I got for $70, and then another 40% off. That is pretty dope. I should steal a box top, huh? I should steal a box top. If I bought anything, I would take a box top, but I'm not buying anything today. Dang it. Bigger sizes only in that as well. Pretty much men's sizes 10 and above. You got the Christmas Jordan 1 lows. Another Jordan 1 low OG Chicago, or UNC to Chicago. All right, I came here about a week ago. Yeah, I'm gonna hit up Adidas. Dang it. Adidas Outlet, do they have that crazy sound on the back wall still? I don't see any signs. I don't see it. Maybe it was just last weekend. We still might be able to find some steals. 50% off, so $65 for Ultra Boost. These are way small though. Okay. 6.5, 7.5. Men's, if this was a size 7, I would definitely grab it. Dang it, not the size I need. Dang nabbit. With these Ultra Boosts, what they talking about? Dodgers color looking. $190 for these. Mostly black. Or pretty much all black with the boost right there. 115. So what's that? 57.50. That math even right? I don't know. 190. Couple more of these right here. 130. So 60. What's that? $65. Bigger size. Checking out the women's section, or the clearance section that is. So I got all these Stella McCartney Ultra Boost right here. The Ultra Boost on the 115. These ones with a ton of rubber on it, 130. What are these called? The Ultra Runners? What the hell? Don't know what the hell that is. These are going for $50. Yeah, not finding nothing too crazy dope here. $100 for those. Check Under Armour real quick, 50% off event. Gonna check the back wall real quick. Primary purpose of coming to the mall out here, or to this area, was because I wanted to return those Nikes, because today was the last day to return. Figured I'd just make a video. Price is not that great here though, look. $145 for these, only $50 off. I say that because we've been seeing these at heavy discounts at most other spots, especially the Foot Locker outlets. We've also been seeing a lot of stuff at Ross as well. 145. That's 11 and a half. Right here, Curry 11s. 135. Remember, 50 off. Cover 2 Apex 125. Budget Curries right here. What? Look at the price, huh? No, 145. Yeah, I'm not digging these prices. Definitely not digging the prices. Even check the size 11 women's right here. That's what I'm looking for. Not really seeing much. I see some of the Project Rock. These are the Project Rock 5s, 135. These are one of the newer ones. Oh yeah, the 6s right here, 145. Been seeing these at Ross as well. Nah, man, that's about it, dude. That's about it, you guys.